So here's what I've done. Used a bit of old hardwood from the recyclers and my neighbour's old coffee table. That's what's left of it so far. Just to do some test cuts for my red special. I've got some blockboard all made up down here, so we'll probably do that soon. So that's where I'm at, off the bottom with my sample neck. All worked out pretty good. I was testing the binding, so that edge is all wrong, but everything else is sort of as it goes. The bolts flush. The holes there are for the nuts. And the bolts come through from the knife edge through here. Tremolo sits in here, which I got from Ron Smith. I just finished cutting the mill in the top today, so that's the outside of it. I discovered this piece of timber has had a piece of wood running through the middle of it, through here, which caused this bit here to split off, but never mind. So that's the top bit, and from the underside, and I've pre-drilled or milled the slots for the screwdriver to go in, and also the slot for the input jack. So that's all done. So everything worked out pretty good. The inside, and the top. I'll just show you, and I used a bit of just Tassie oak, they call it, just from the local hardware store to make the oak block. So that just fits in. So we'll stick it on the camera on the tripod and we'll just put it together. So that's the top bit there. It's a pretty tight fit. That's it. So it hangs off it there. If we put the block in now, it's a tight fit as well. Just squeezes through. Blocks in place, and put in place. Missing this. There we go. That's in. Okay, so everything fits in there. There's the hole for the. Oh, there we are. Input jack. Holes for the screwdrivers at the back there. Yeah, it's coming together quite nicely. Just tighten up that. So there we go. Not a bad sample. My neck, this was my fourth iteration of the neck. I've since lengthened it a bit here. I wanted to bring the neck a bit more down just so I could get a bit more timber in there, which I put the screws through. So yeah, anyway, so there's the clearance in there for the oak block. So everything seems to be working. Push that down. And I should be able to, I haven't tried yet. I'll grab a screwdriver. Let's see if this works. Move the camera this way a bit. Oh, there goes my bit of wood. And the screwdriver should fit in here, which it does. Yep. There we go. We can tighten up the strings. Yep. So that works good. All right. Happy with this so far. So I've got a piece of mahogany for the neck, and there's my block board. One of my test necks there with the inside of my jig. And there's the jig on the table there. So it's all coming together quite nicely.